Hi folks, so some of you may have seen that the avocado has sadly been condemned to the scrap heap. It was MOT time in April and it just wasn't worth putting it through. There was too much rust and too much work to be done. So a real shame. The avocado is officially deceased. We've started stripping it. And so we need another spare track car, we need another Project 45 car, and I've been and picked it up today. No prizes at all for guessing what it is. I think you can all imagine what I've probably gone for as a second spare track car for us. So I'll reveal all. So here's the great unveiling of the avocado's replacement. Just look at that. That is definitely a 5 or 10 yard car. Mark 1 this time. And just look at that paintwork. Whew. The bonnet's probably one of the better panels. Just look at that. I think the red paintwork tends to do it a bit more, but you can probably see she's not a beauty. She's definitely not a beauty. But she is relatively solid and a relatively honest Mark 1. Look at that. Lots of nice bits. She's very untidy, but a number of nice bits, and we can make a really good track car of her. That sill is really nice. The other one's had a repair that could have been done better. There's a bit of rust there, but it's a track car. See, that's starting to come through where it's been repaired, but it's relatively solid. The interior leaves a lot to be desired. It's quite ratty. You can see past the blistering paintwork and the rattiness. It's a solid Mark 1, and it's got lots of potential as a track car. So I'll just walk around the features, the reasons we bought it. So it's got the hardtop, which is of course worth a few quid, and it's been wrapped in carbon, which to be honest isn't bad. It's faded and a little bit scratched. It's not a bad job, to be honest. I think we'll be going soft top on it like we had on the Avacado, just for ease of putting the top down, but I'm sure that'll be good for someone else. You can see through the back one of the best bits on the car, which is the hard dog roll cage. Very nice bit of kit. In fact, probably one of the best roll cages you can get for an MX-5 or roll bar, should I say. The wheels are very battered, but we've got some OZ Superleggeras there. The brakes, I think they're red stuff rear, yellow stuff at the front. Got some dodgy discs. Yeah, that's right, red stuff and yellow stuff. Scabby wheels, but they're good quality. Came on RSR tyres. I'm sure we'll find something else to put on them. These sort of systems all standard. Inside we've got what was once a very sexy carbon Kevlar Sparco seat. Nice say belt there. And not really my thing, Corbeau passenger seat. Probably see the roll bar a bit better. There we go. It's got quite a nice steering wheel. That'll probably pinch from my CRX. And other than that, it's just sort of normal track day fare inside. We'll have a look under the bonnet. Not terribly rusty, as you can see. Nothing to hold the bonnet up, but as you can probably tell, this is a Mark 2.5 VVT engine. So bit of an upgrade, bit of a cheat there for us. Nice Mishimoto rad, excellent bits of kit. I've got one on the MX-2000. Dodgy air filter, I'm sure we'll do something about that. I'm sure that's picking up lots of hot air. Square top manifold from the 2.5, which is a nice win on a cheap car. I don't think there's much else to look at. You probably can't tell from the top, but it's got gas coilovers. We're not sure what sort, but I'm sure we'll find out shortly. But yeah, so I think it's a fabulous buy for the very, very small outlay. Another nice thing it's got is the 6th gear. So it's got a 6-speed box in it, and it also has a Torsen differential. So it's got a nice little powertrain in it, and lots of nice bits all over the car. It's rather ratty looking, as you can see, again, and but it's got lots of potential, and we can make a fabulous track car out of it. We bought it for £1,250, so I'm sure for sub 2,000 we've got lots of parts to swap over to it. Probably choose what we think are the best bits in terms of what we want to do with the car between this and the Avacado, and sell the rest of the bits. And sub 2,000 I'm sure we'll have a very capable car, and we can go chasing that 145 at Cadwell again. So the next time you see us, we'll be at Dad's, probably about half an hour's time, and we'll be probably tearing both cars apart, so that we can start making one really good track car. That number's going to have to come out. I don't like numbers on cars that aren't race cars. So there we go. We've not got a name for it yet, but this is the Avacado replacement and what becomes the new Project 45.